So today we're going to cover installing the item you see up here, the MP Concepts rear window louvers in matte black for Dodge Challengers from 2008 to 2023. I'll put a link to where you can find this. A couple things I want to start out with though. Chose matte black for a reason. I'll show a picture of my Challenger here in the video. There were issues with this specific kit though, and those were specifically on the item where you, or the part of the kit where you actually join the adhesives, the nuts, and the bolt plates. The bolt plates here are made out of plastic, so when I actually first tried to attempt this, all of the bolts kept getting stripped. So I tried to find an alternative, and I did find that alternative. And that alternative is on Amazon with this kit, which again I'll also put in the description, for $21. You actually get all metal stud plates with rubber gaskets, washers, bigger diameter bolts, and larger nuts. And this actually provided significantly more security to make sure that the items didn't fall off, to make sure that the louver didn't fall off. The first thing we had to do was take up
He made this car in GTA. Although I sent Lucy a TikTok from Jimmy Jones up in Scranton because they were doing freeze-dried candies today.
What we got to do here first is you got to take all these off. All these nuts
You
off.
could gladly get it, but I don't think
They
I
just unscrew.
can. I help you?
Yes, you can.
What do I do? Underneath, you'll feel it.
That's a good spot because I think it's wide enough. All right, tape mounting pads need to go on the back. Peel off the paper backing, leaving the red layer. So now, see, these ones are metal with metal nuts. So now we got to take this off.
my wife for helping me with this part.
These got to go directly onto here.
Oh, I can do that part.
Ooh, they smell very strong.
Where's the other metals?
All over in there.
There's no specific direction, they just go on it.
Red's got to stay on the bottom.
But on here, it doesn't matter.
No. What are these? Are rubber, which that will tell me that should probably go underneath like that.
Did you cover that the hole with the thing or no?
What? There's a hole.
Did the hole get covered with this thing?
There is no hole.
There's a hole. Right there.
Oh yeah, you don't need that.
Oh. Was that adhesive I covered?
Yeah. Very strong adhesive. Apparently. Oh my god, it's like so much better.
They fit perfectly on there?
Yep, pretty much. Pretty much. Zoom in on your action shot. Cool sandals and socks, by the way. They'll look good.
Hey, what do you want from me? You have socks. You have compression socks and Crocs.
It's because I'm old.
Am I a young one?
Obviously.
Don't judge. That one was perfect.
Pretty bad work. But it'll do. Oops. I see how they do this. I see how they're doing this. That actually makes even more sense. So I'm going to have to take the first one off because it looks like they do. Rubber. thing over it, which actually will be much smoother, so it will nothing will rattle at all. I don't think it will.
We
Well,
then had to place them in the actual
gotta take that
holes
part
on
off.
the louver itself.
Part.
You gotta take the broken part. I'm talking to him. The broken part off. Let's go quick.
So just melt it, take it apart, and
Melt it.
well, come off the metal. So to take it off, and then put it back in the right way. Man, that's
To do this, we went plate, rubber grommet, louver, rubber grommet, washer, and then nut, and repeated it for all 12 holes.
not feel as bad as it was. Like, it didn't hurt. Do you need these taken apart?
Yes, actually.
Do you just
Looks
pop
like
them in
rubber. Yeah. Rubber. Washer.
Rubber. It's very protected.
Metal. Well, it'll keep it. It'll compress it, and it'll stop rattling, because I'm sure it'll rattle if you go over bumps and stuff. Like,
You know that's not what I was.
go. All right. Do that. Next step is clean. I should clean up the out. You want to do it? I know you're already walking over like you were excited to do it.
No, it doesn't matter.
We then cleaned the windows using isopropyl alcohol on a microfiber cloth to make sure it had a clean surface to make two.
Get all my fingerprints off.
Smells like I'm gonna get a shot.
Should clean that metal because that's got all my fingerprints. If you want more. Take a clean.
Should use this opportunity to clean the entire window, as my wife kindly reminds me.
What am I cleaning?
You should clean the middle. There's still like.
Oh yeah,
Just
just
give
clean
it
the
a
whole
good
thing.
clean.
Oh yeah, that's right, because this is going on there, right?
Yeah.
Be able to clean it. Should probably clean it and put Ranix on it.
You're not gonna get a lot of rain in it.
Yeah, but then any moisture that does build up should run off. Maybe not.
Mary, wanna do this side?
Yeah.
It's so funny. You think about getting a shot, and the smell of that kind of alcohol only reminds me of one thing. And I was telling Lucy this. Do you remember when we were in elementary school and they used to have the spray color for your hair for Halloween?
So like hairspray stuff?
Yeah, but it was alcohol based, and I just remember like the whole pod smelling like rubbing alcohol at like the Halloween parade. I swear they don't make that anymore. Or if they do, it doesn't smell like alcohol. Like it used to. Back in the day. Okay.
Send the louver side to side. Send the louver side to side. Align with the top edge of
This was the hardest part, aligning this. This took 100 tries, and then finally we ended up using blue tape, which you'll see in the video, blue painter's tape, to help make sure it stayed lined up throughout this entire process, and my son helped as well.
Go right to the top edge of the glass. And I've got room over here, quite a bit actually.
I'm like probably a quarter, eighth to a quarter of an inch over the side.
Over the glass?
Yeah,
Oh.
it comes really nicely almost to the orange.
Oh well, then look at this side now, quick too.
Yeah, I have more space on my side. Mine
Oh.
goes past this.
Okay, so we gotta go your side a little. And I want to get very top of this glass so that way the trunk's definitely got enough room to go up. So you got to go up. Oh man. It's kind of close.
Do you want me to hold it in place and you can test the trunk?
Okay, so, well, almost there. This is looking down the glass, you cannot see it. Perfect, right?
No, I think it'll look fine either way. Just make sure it's functional.
Oh.
Not functional. Hit right here.
Yeah.
Please come up a little bit higher.
It does gotta go up higher. Good. And that. So it looks like it's got more room than yours. I mean, that's pretty much one thing we gotta go by too, I guess, is probably clearance to the bottom. It hits a little bit.
Yeah, it does hit a little bit in that center.
Just in the center though. It might be because we're pressing on it also. Alright, I am up. I don't want to touch the seal, but I can get close to it. Your side, you can come up a bit. You got where I was going. I was walking upstairs.
What?
I was walking upstairs.
Wrong direction. Okay. Are we still where you want it? Yeah. I'm on the edge. Is the trunk open? Yeah.
Almost would be nice if we could just flip it.
Oh, because it's going to give you something.
See what happens when I put this on the mat. Oh, it actually comes off. What I was thinking is we put like 4 pieces of tape up here, so we flip it, and we can take the adhesive off, and it should go right back in the spot.
Yeah. Do you want Liam to come down and hold one side and you can take the things off?
We probably are going to need help.
Hey, can you come down and help us? Thanks. I wonder if he remembers that song from Elmo. Mono Pichu. Isn't that the guacamole song? Guacamole, guacamole, yeah. Liam, do you remember the Manu Picchu episode of Elmo?
No.
The guacamole song?
Guenta.
You guys is a plane. Do you remember that? No. Guacamole, guacamole, yeah. No? 9.
9.
Alright, dude, you're on that side.
What do I
Is
do?
it good? Good enough?
What do I do?
It's this one spot. It's not, I mean, you have clearance, but it's, I mean, tighter than the rest. Yeah.
What am I here for?
You'll find out.
You're gonna clean this dust off? Oh my goodness. Clean me.
I think when I put, I
I'll
do
do
it.
that.
think okay.
Good?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, this is the plan. We're gonna like hinge this like a door. We're gonna hold it up, and then he's gonna take all the adhesives off, and then we're gonna lower it down. So this is gonna serve as our door, and we're gonna hold this up once we're ready. Should we do a test run of like holding it up and putting it down?
Yeah.
Oh my god, what are you kissing at?
No, I want to smell beard.
Weird. Go ahead, test run.
We don't really need to come out that far.
Test run down.
Sorry. Oh my gosh, you're gonna break it.
Hey, it helped that area.
Did it?
Yeah.
There you go. That's what I figured.
All right, are we ready?
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
I feel like you need a drink after this.
Get this stuff off now. It's like freaking terrible. Oh my god.
Oh my god, my arms are getting tired. Joking.
Pretty good. Oh my god.
You don't adhere to your face.
You gotta hit your armpits.
Seriously? Am I that close?
No, I mean, don't jerk your head to that. Whoop, whoop.
Alright, hold on.
You got
I
hair.
got you.
You got
I got
hair in
you.
your armpits.
Quick.
He's a
I
man.
was looking at him.
Are you gonna put it down?
Do you want to take this? Because I'm gonna trust myself.
I'm gonna watch. Ready?
You can do it. You can do it.
Yeah, they're straight.
Yeah, my powder's over there. Oh, it's good now.
Good?
Yeah.
I don't know.
My side looks good. It's where it was. This looks good. Are we pressing?
Yeah. We do a quick check. Oh, yes.
We press these down, then it wants us to take it off. I still don't know how you're gonna get it off there.
Just
though.
press these down.
Oh, crap. You're right. I didn't think about that.
Should we take these out?
Shoot.
What'd you do?
I didn't think about that.
What'd you do? The ones that are funky.
Yeah.
They look real light, but just in case.
You mean the ones that are bumpy?
We had ones on these bottoms that were, the threads were tight. That's fine. Which one is I can just push real hard. Or, no wait, we can't even. I mean, we could take the rest off and put your fingers under and then just hope for the best on the bottom ones, right?
We could. We could do
At
that.
least you'll have the other ones real good.
It'll
be fine.
Well, instructions for you too.
Did you put that tape on?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you think I did?
Well, I'm just making sure that's not video evidence of you taping your kid's mouth shut.
It's gonna be age restricted. I'm
Sometimes.
too sexy.
Sometimes it's
Got no clothes on.
How'd you get those off so fast? You're way too quick.
Got what off so fast?
I think I started before you. And you did more than me.
Oh,
I
my
saw that
phone.
bottom one. Why is it called louvers?
Oh.
Oh, yeah, you see the clouds like that?
Yeah, right in the middle of all this. It's a good time to show.
Yeah, look at it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Wow. Alright, these should come off, no problem. I say that.
It's the center one that's holding us down there. Or that one.
I have no idea what we're gonna do here without like.
Yeah, I think
Almost
we
like
just
I could do a
these.
screwdriver and pry it.
Nah, I think you just stick it under. Stick your fingers under.
Like this top one, it's lost in. Let's put them on back on. I thought I pushed that one down.
Ooh, this one got really tight over here when we tried to put it back. But mine are all on really well. None of mine are an issue.
Alright, well then do you really even need to take it off?
Did you put your fingers under and do that side?
Yeah. Oh well, hold on, let me.
I mean, like, yeah, push it up. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's what I did. And these, you can still see the top of them.
That's okay though.
So I think, you know what I mean? Like, you know it's
Oh, yeah.
on because you can see the top.
Yeah.
So these are all good.
I don't wanna-
You can go from this way too. You can go from underneath.
I felt like I pushed it on.
Good.
Which though, I did not press this one on hard.
You can go from underneath. You see what I mean?
Yeah. I gotta find. There should be more foam pads.
Oh. Before we put the things on?
It says, do that, pressure, reinstall it, install the supply foam pads that prevent the louver from rounding against the glass. It is recommended to install the foam with the louver already installed to ensure proper placement with the tape back installed so it does not touch the glass. I don't know where those are at.
Did they come with it?
Yes, they're here somewhere. Where that location is unknown.
What do they look like?
They're just foam. We can start putting these back on.
Oh, you don't need to put them on before you put the
No,
nuts
it
on?
says put them on when you already have it installed. That way you know there's enough, like, pressure or whatever.
To me, you'd put them on under because this.
Well, no, it's not that kind of foam. It's like cushiony. It's like super cushiony, so that way.
Oh, where is the phone?
I can't hear you. I don't know. I guess you're good. Drive down in the sunshine. Yeah, I don't know how the detail guy does it. He makes it look easy. I feel like I don't know how Detail Geek does it. He makes it look so easy.
I'll probably take this off. I think that does look pretty good. I think it looks good. Nice and shiny with the new louvers, which were not very easy to install.